want to recognize everybody who is here.
ndetse n'abataraza nabo turaza fata umwanya kwiyegereza
And those who are not yet come, we are going to have a time
kugira ngo tuze kuba twese turi hano tuzi ko twashyitse,
so that everybody may feel hallelujah.
ariko turabashimira ko mwazindutse kare.
But we thank you for coming early.
Abageze hano saa 12
And those who have come here at around 6 in the morning.
icyo gihe kugeza ubwo baracyari kubaza.
From that time up to now, people are still coming.
Turabashimiye rwose.
We thank you.
Uyu munsi mwabaye icyubahiro.
You have honored the day of today.
Ndetse mubashe umuyobozi wacu.
And you have honored also our leader.
Murakoze cyane.
Thank you.
Rero turaje mu tuyegereza abantu bageze kugera hano.
We want to recognize everybody who has already come.
Duhereye ku muntu wese utuye Nairobi.
Starting from every person who stays here in Nairobi.
Umunyamurenge wese.
Every Munyamulenge.
Ndetse n'inshuti zacu.
And also our friends.
Babashe kuza kugira ngo tubashe kwibuka intwari yacu ndetse z'intwari.
Have been able to make a step forward.
Abantu beza.
Commemorate our hero.
Abantu beza.
You are good people.
Imana muje umugisha.
Our Heavenly Father bless you.
Mwanya wanyu mwatanze.
The time that you have offered.
Bafuze business zanyu.
You have closed your business.
Kugira ngo muze tubande uyu munsi kugira ngo duheshe intwari yacu agaciro.
So that you can come and join us to give the value and the honor to our hero.
Nanone turatangwa abayobozi ba Sibeka.
I want to recognize the leadership of Sibeka.
Abachezimani bose.
All the chairmen.
Bahagarariye uturere twacu 14.
Who represent their areas, their places.
Tugize Kenya.
All the places.
Tugira ngo haguruke abo babone.
I want you to be outstanding so that people may know you.
Reka bahaguruke rero.
I want you to be outstanding. All the chairmen who are here, please be outstanding.
Yes, abo ni abayobozi bacu.
These are our leaders.
Batuyoboye hano muri Kenya.
Who are leading our community.
Babasha guhuza ibikorwa kugira ngo ikibe cyagenze bike.
That the one who coordinates everything.
Abantu b'abagabo Imana ibamugisha rero. Harimo n'umuntu w'abachaleti abakora mu rwego rw'abamama.
Also we have the chaleti who serve.
Nabo turababona bari hano.
The leadership of women.
Barasa neza mu munsi babubashe.
They are very smart. They are obeying the day of
ububere bwose butabayobozi nanone nabo bahaguruke.
Also they have their leadership. We kindly request you to be outstanding.
Wabone.
So that you may recognize them.
Turabashimira ko mwabihaye icyubahiro.
We thank you.
Ndabona haguse bakeya abandi bari.
I don't know why you are very few.
Haguruke mwese rwose.
You can be outstanding all of you.
Yes, murabere murasa neza.
Thank you. You look smart.
Uyu munsi mwabubashe.
You have honored the day of today.
Mubashe n'icyo umuyobozi wacu yakoze.
And you have honored the service our hero.
Imana ibahe umugisha.
Let our God bless you.
Reka niyegereze ubuyobozi bw'abarwanashyaka.
Let me recognize the leadership of Auto Defense.
Abayobowe n'umuyobozi Gasita.
Led by the leader Gasita.
Reka haguruke.
Let me request him to be outstanding.
Wakoze cyane.
Thank you very much.
Bari kumugisha.
May God bless you.
Tuwezi kuongeza hano.
We know that you have come.
Reka tuyegereze abamama, abadamu b'abatabazi.
We want to recognize the wives of Auto Defense.
Tunabaha pole.
And we give condolences to
kuko hariho bamwe mu bategeka abagabo babo batanze amasosiyali abagabo babaye intwari namwe muri intwari kazi niyo mpamvu uno munsi twaje kubibuka bahaguruke mwese rero turabona aho muri bayobowe n'umuyobozi wabo Toto bose turabubaha cyane turabubaha rwose Imana ibahugishe urashobora kwicara. Yes, ubuyobozi w'abene wacu muri Noro niba yahageze twaramutumiye wa Rebeka ntawe hari. Yes, nazo turabwegereza. Hariho komisiyo yateguye kino gikorwa. Nabo niba bahari bahaguruke. Ariko bari mu gikorwa hano nabo turabegereje bahageze. Imana ibamugisha. Hariho abayobozi b'imiryango yacu.
We have the leaders of our tribes.
Ibikorwa by'ahangaha byose.
The leaders of our clans.
Abayobozi nabo bahageze nabo bahaguruka.
They are already here. I can see them. You can be outstanding.
Yes, ushobora kwicara rero Imana ibamugisha cyane.
You can be seated. May God bless you.
Tumena abayobozi bacu ba pasiteri batuyoboye mu madini.
We are our leaders, the pastors,
aba bishops, aba apostles, pasiteri,
and all pastors,
abashe kuza mu bikorwa,
and the reverends who are here, who have come here,
abashe uyu munsi,
who have honored the day of today,
bacu tuyoboye mu mwuka,
the leaders who lead us spiritually. We have invited you, and you have responded to our invitation. We may request you kindly to be upstanding so that we may recognize you. May God bless you. There are very many, you can see them. May God bless you so much. Thank you. You can be seated. And also we have the leaders of different alliances. These pastors, you can see they are into coalitions. There is a Hope Alliance. There is a Gap Alliance. And also Evangelical Alliance. And Shalom Alliance. We will request you to be upstanding, all the leaders. Those are the leaders who join us together. May God bless you. You can be seated. Thereafter, we have invited the chiefs. There are some chiefs that you have invited. I don't know whether we have a chief. Here with us also the police commander in this district. We know they are here. Media, we welcome you. Led by their leader. If you are there, you can be upstanding. So we welcome you. We have guests. Before we get to our guests, I can see our leader has come. All the activities that we can do here in Kenya. Our chairman is here with us. He's the one who coordinates us. He's the coordinator of every activity that has been done. We honor you. You do it well. You're a good leader. You can be seated. May God bless you. We have the guests from outside the country that we wanted to be with them today. They have already come. And others have not yet arrived here. We will have time also to welcome them when they arrived. Let us also request our guests. So we honor you for giving a honor and respect to this commemoration. And you have crossed 3 borders so that you can come and attend this commemoration to give honor to honor our hero. May God bless you. He is together with his friend. Let's request him to be upstanding. We honor you. Yeah, good. For you to cross different borders so that you may come and attend this commemoration to remember our hero for the first anniversary being with you. We thank you. Feel you have come. May God bless you. And also there's a friend of ours who is not here. And by the time he will arrive here, we so those that we have not mentioned by their names. We have another defense woman, a great woman, and she is the guest from far away. Mama Nyarukundo Mapendo. She is with us today. today. And everybody here knows her. She did an tremendous job to support. She supported our community and speaks for us spoken on behalf of them. She has given her finances, even offering the speeches. She stood up. She has helped most the refugees and others in our country. She is the heroine of today. Stand up. Be up standing. Can you give her a round of applause? Give her a round of applause. Give her a round of applause. We honor you, Mama. We honor you. May God bless you. May God bless you. For you to honor the day of today.
Yes.
Remembering our hero. And also we have the family of our hero general. Let us kindly request them to be upstanding so that we can recognize them to this process as we are winding up our introduction.
Yes.
You can be upstanding, all of you. I have said the families of our hero. So we respect and we honor you. You gave birth to a hero. He started being a hero in your family, became a hero in our community, in our country, and also became a hero in the world. You gave birth to a hero, a great person. Now today we have come to commemorate you. And being with you is a great honor. May God bless you. So everyone who is here with us, without mentioning and each and every name, you can just greet your neighbor and say welcome. Greet your neighbor and say you are welcome. And we will give back the microphone to MC. Thank you.
MC.
Thank you. Before I start, I want to request those who have been wounded out to by fighting for themselves to kindly move forward and stand with me here, right here. Among them, there is one called Shaka that was shot recently and his hand was chopped. They have told me that has already arrived here. We kindly request you to hurry up, please. Everybody that knows that we've been together there, back at home, fighting for our community, we kindly request you to move forward, to come quickly here. As they're still coming,
yes.
This one is called the Rutebuka. I think many of you knows him. They took him and arrested him. They arrested him hardly. We were thinking that he's going to die. He has arrived yesterday tonight. We went to welcome him at the airport. Is a man who is a hero, a great hero. This one is called Mpore. I also welcomed him yesterday. He was shot by machine gun, 6 bullets. But he's still standing strong. These are the heroes. Give a round of applause to them. These left their pleasure. They didn't accept to be despised. They stood up to go and die along with their community. Truly, these are the men of great value to me. Because we don't have so many things to speak. I'm going to speak about our hero. What is a hero? A hero is the person who pursues what he is determined for, what he was determined for, and it becomes an tremendous job for him, which has the importance and the benefit to many people. And he does it with perseverance and also great determination and commitment. A hero is one of the values, the great values of a person, which comes out of the great ability of facing the fear. And also being a hero, it's not just there because of war, but it does the work of hero. It does the activities of a hero which is beneficial to some other people. Then that person does not see his own interest, but he sees the interest of others. For example, of that kind of work of hero, we can speak about our Mama Mapendo. She is the woman who could make a phone call when I was there. With a great, was anxious. She wasn't sleeping because of how she was looking for how we can live. Along with another woman called Anastasia in the US. That the heroine can give another praise to them. Being a hero, it is the value which can never be shaken and waved, and the ability to speak the truth. Even though it is like that, that person stood strong. He can stand strong to defend the truth. Even though he's fighting with the people with the great powers, but he stands to defend the truth and justice, up to reaching to the core, or to the great work that he is determined before. I'm so glad to see this congregation or gathering. This shows me that here in Kenya, you also the people are the hero people. Before I start speaking about the tremendous job of our hero Makanika, I want to be grateful to the leadership of Siberika here in Kenya, led by Chairman Eric Gategeko. This is a man whom we serve together day and night. He doesn't sleep or cease to continue pursue how our people can get served. In the many years we've been serving together, we work day and night. I have seen him as a great man. So people like this who are doing the work for the sake of our community, let us always give praises to them as they are still living. We face so many troubles. We lost our people. We have wounded others. Up to today, we have so many people wounded. There are hundreds and hundreds of people wounded. Among them, one was shot 2 legs and 1 leg was amputated. People stood up. The women who are in Australia and others who are elsewhere, they stood up and offered $80,000 so that that man can be treated. Up to now, we still have others who have been wounded in their heads. They have been wounded in their parts of the body that they can never be treated in these countries. But everyone who stood up so that he may give something in order to give treatment to these guys, may God bless you. Everyone who does something without caring the bad speeches of our enemies, that person is of a great value to us. Go and continue serving your people and the community. Give help to our community, which is facing so many challenges. And let us go and give help to these who are wounded. And those whom their husbands have lost their lives in the battlefield, please go and render a service to them. It is one of the work of a hero. After, when our young men went to give a service to our people, let me speak like this. It is known by everybody. We always go to give help to defend our people. We can't remain silent when they are facing the killing. We have auto defense living in Arizona, in the US. They did a great job. They commit themselves to just continue look after the families who have been left here in Kenya. And also every day they pay their house rent. They are led by Dr. Rugira. He's a bishop. Is the initiator of that kind of solidarity they are having. It has become an easy burden to our people to pay their rent. Even though many of them have failed to continue doing it, we still ask them, we call upon them to just... We ask them to wake up and continue serving their people so that they can support these families. There are those ones whom their children are being chased away from school. There are those ones who are the children of our heroes who go to school without eating and they come back with hunger. Let's join our hands together so that we can give help to them. Oh, I am so grateful for our auto defense living in US. What they do behind the doors are very many. Let me be grateful the team of women led by Anastasia in US. The great job you are doing reveals how you are a hero. Let me thank the leadership for Mahoro Peace.
Ndashimira Gakondo.
Let me thank the leadership of Gakondo.
Ndashimira umuntu wese uzugira icyakora.
Let me also thank everyone who does something on behalf of our people.
Iwacu hongere habeho.
So that our land, our country, our place can continue to be.
Imani wa Mungu.
May God bless you.